this In the Wild with Chris. I haven't posted any videos in a while, but it's been a very busy fall here. September and October has been quite busy. Had to work a lot, done a few military exercises. So just to keep you updated, I got some videos of gathering water on the editing board. I'm going to post shortly. And in the meantime, well, enjoy this view from up in Jämtland. And after this view, I'll put in a clip of from one of our military exercises. To ensure our survival in this harsh climate in early November up in Jämtland, we have brought supplies. We have brought power bars and coffee. Well, enjoy the view. Go, go! Come on! So, until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.